Alright, look at that needle go up. There we go.
AllCoastLawncare.
If you're here watching how to do a side hustle or lawn care business, how to service, blow off the clippings off the street, off the driveway, off the walkway, and blow off the vehicle too. You're gonna find that there's like a lot of dust from the mower that got caught on the vehicle. So blow off the vehicle, okay? Who knows, maybe we're looking out their window like, wow, that's awesome, they're blowing off my vehicle. So anyway, I'm at the gas station, so this is why you have to take into consideration fuel when we're giving her a quote, because fuel's expensive, y'all. So take a look. All right, the machine's not working, so I had to go prepay. So I went ahead and did $70. That should fill it up. There it is right there. $70, y'all. So the needle was on E, in the middle of E. So it's on the border of E. So you never want to drive a vehicle like when it's on E. Okay, you want to just, you're gonna fill it up when it's like a quarter, like you know, I have a quarter left. All right, you never want to go on E because you never know. All right, the little needle may be messed up, and you actually probably be running out of gas. There you go. Look at that, 6 gallons at $20. This is $3.09 a gallon. Take this into consideration, right? 1 yard may just cost you your to fill up your tank. You don't want to be quoting real low where you have to like take 2 lawns to fill up your tank. All right, you're not mowing to fill up your tank, y'all. All right. You're mowing to make an income this is an income for you and your family, all right? It's gonna be like 1 lawn to fill up your tank, okay? Depending on how high the gas is. There you go, y'all, like 13 gallons, you know what I mean? $42. There's a 24 gallon tank. I recall, yeah, 24 gallons. 9 gallons to go. So I told him $70. All right. So whatever I don't use, I'll just go back to my card because the machine's not working over. I had to go inside and prepay. But it may take all my $70 probably. We'll see. 10 more dollars to go. Hello. $5. So we got 22 gallons at $69. I'm gonna give my extra 72 cents that I have left. I pay for it, I'm gonna use it. Alright, there we go, y'all. 22 gallons, 22.5 gallons for $70. Alright, got my receipt. So, here it is, y'all. Alright. Keep this in mind when recording lawns, okay? So I got 22.58, 22.6, let's round up. 22.6 gallons for $70, okay? And this is $3.09 a gallon, okay? All right, right there, y'all. Okay? Now keep that in mind. Keep that in mind when you're quoting lawns, all right? It's fuel, okay? Fuel, okay? And gas kind of went down, all right? So this is $3.09. Imagine if gas is $4. Okay. All right, look at that needle go up. There we go. Look at that, y'all. 268,000 miles on my F-150. There's a 2002 truck, y'all. Look at that. 268,000 miles. Look at that. A full tank. Not really, because it is a 24-gallon tank, and there's only 22 gallons I put inside the tank. But hey, we got gas. So I hope that was good info for you, all right, on like the how real it is, okay, when you have to get fuel for a vehicle, okay. It's expensive, y'all, okay. So it was $70. The yard I just did was $70, okay. So I mowed one customer's yard for a full tank of gas, okay. So keep that in mind, all right. If I'm charging $35 a yard, that's 2 yards, right? 2 times 35 is $70, okay. So quote as your life's depending on it, okay. Quote, take your fuel into consideration, okay. Fuel, blades, fuel for your mowers, okay. Food for the house, for the family, rent. Take all that into consideration, right, on your quotes for lawn care and your side hustle, okay. So I ain't lying, man. When I first started, I would probably quoted that house $35 I just did, okay. Seriously, because I didn't know how to quote, all right. I was quoting just to have customers, but now I understand how real it is, okay, for quoting. So that was a $70 yard we just did, and that just paid for fuel for the truck. So hey, please like and subscribe, okay. It really meant a lot to me, you know, to this channel, okay. This is a how-to channel on lawn care, pressure washing. You know, I'm getting started on pressure washing, all right. I'm not really there yet though, but I'm starting. Anyway, your likes and subscriptions will motivate me to make more videos. No matter what, I'm gonna make more videos, but hey, motivate me if you like and subscribe. So please motivate me. All right, God bless. Thank you, bye.